In this video, I am going to show you how to fix a Nintendo Switch that won't connect to TV. For this, you need to follow these steps. Number 1. Verify cable connections. Ensure the HDMI cable is securely plugged into both the dock and TV. Number 2. Try a different HDMI port. Your TV might have multiple HDMI ports. Try using a different one. Number 3. Test with a different HDMI cable. If possible, use a different HDMI cable to rule out a cable issue. Number 4. Confirm TV input. Make sure your TV is set to the correct input source, usually HDMI. Number 5. Power cycle devices. Turn off your switch, TV and unplug the dock. Wait a few minutes, then plug everything back in and turn them off. Number 6. Check for obstructions. Ensure nothing is blocking the HDMI port on the dock or TV. Number 7. Change TV resolution. Go to System Settings. Then go to TV output and try a different resolution. Sometime lowering the resolution can help establish a connection. So, I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of videos. Thanks for watching.